and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to the cover song of REO Brothers, and this is Sound of Silence, popularized by Simon and Garfunkel. We all know that REO Brothers, oh my God, isa sila sa mga nagpapasaya sa akin when it comes to music. And these guys are so gifted. They can play the timeless classic music, and of course, sobrang ang dami nilang napapasaya, especially yung mga yung mga oldies, 'di ba? Isa na ako doon, o 'di ba? Kasi sila lang din yung nakakapagpakilig sa akin ng mga na generation, of course. And these guys, oh my God, so brilliant when it comes to music. So now let us hear the version of REO Brothers to the Sound of Silence cover song. Guys, every cover song of REO Brothers is so awesome, and ang dami nilang napapasaya na ng mga oldies, because it brings back the memories of all this song and all this music. And ang daming generation na talagang hindi lahat nag-e-enjoy sa all this music, but this generation, this young men, oh my God, grabe, sobrang galing nila. Wala kang itatapon sa mga cover song nila. Lahat yayakapin mo at mamahalin mo para pakinggan mo, kasi sobrang nilang nadi-deliver ng perfect yung music. And wala kang masasabi kundi superb, awesome. I am running out of adjectives that I can give to these guys, but all I can say is thank you so much for making us happy. Thank you so much for making old people happy by doing great cover songs na talagang nakakapagbalik ng ng saya sa mga sa mga oldies people, okay? And always keep your feet on the ground. Be humble always. And of course, guys, if you are not yet subscribed to REO Brothers, please subscribe to their channel, and marami kayong mapapakinggan na magagandang cover song from REO Brothers, mga oldies music, a timeless classic music. And of course, and if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And of course, if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and click the tiny bell button, okay? Subscribe, like, and click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. And of course, I would like to say thank you for always watching my reaction video, and keep safe always. God bless us all. Be healthy, and I love you all.